And then the boss came in the door and I smiled no more as he asked me, how's your day? But my brain had drank too much from the midday lunch rush and I couldn't think of any words to say. So I said, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly baba. Well, I was in my math class and I doubted I would pass and I was spacing out hardcore. I really tried my best to pay attention from my desk, but math, it was just such a bore. And so it did seem I was midday dream, and the teacher called me but I didn't hear him. And then he put me on the spot and the question that I got was to explain Pythagoras' theorem. And I said, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly baba. Oh well, my mind had started falter as I was standing at the altar, spacing out, holding hands with my bride. And I listened to the pastor and my brain couldn't go no faster as I listened to him, my brain was fried. And as he read from the scripture, my brain was a blank picture as he mentioned something about my life. And then I came back to earth and the line I did not reverse, do you think this gal to be your wife? And I said, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly bally dilly dilly whoa, shlibbity bally dilly baba. I didn't choose to live this way, but I still hear people say in my brain there's less than nothing. And these events I said they were events that did occur in my life since my 9th concussion. And some people think it's wrong that I always sing this song when all thoughts leave my mind. And so I sing it every day as all logic goes away, and it's fun, so sing it with me this time. And we said, shlibbity bally dilly bally